Welcome back to my channel. If you enjoyed that little cinematic and you're interested in any of the products, hit up Delta Lux. I'll leave the link down below in the description. Well, in today's video we're just going to tell you where has the A7 been. You seem to love all the A7 videos, so we're just going to walk through a few things and maybe do a few mods. For example, we have to change the rear badges from silver to black and a few little maintenance things, so keep on watching. So literally we started the year with a bang. The gearbox and clutch went in the A7, so we had to get the whole thing rebuilt. Very expensive job, guys, just a heads up, but we've actually not had the car for a while because it went over Christmas. Well, it didn't really go. We had symptoms, so if you're experiencing some of these symptoms, get it checked out. But we had overheating gearbox malfunction codes come up on the dash, and OBD 11 as well, we checked. So if you're having these symptoms, please go get it checked out. It's a very expensive job if it does happen, but you'd rather get it ahead of time so you're not stuck somewhere when this happens. So at least it was getting all these symptoms. We could still drive it to the garage, but we had to park it up because it happened over Christmas. So we literally had to park up the car for about 2 weeks in January before it got fixed. But please be careful out there. Make sure you get your gearbox service. Make sure there's enough oil in the gearbox, because I've had now 2 people around me have to rebuild their gearbox in an Audi. So if you have an Audi, please go, an automatic Audi, please go get a service and get it checked out in the mechanic, because the least thing you want is for the gearbox to go, because it's very, very expensive. But over Christmas we got a nice steering wheel, so that's it there. We got a flat bottom steering wheel with some Alcantara and leather touches and a 12 o'clock mark as well. So we also got these Audi door lights. They just have the Audi symbol. We'll show you a clip of them at night time. They were really easy to fit, and we'll leave the link down below for them. So the A7 got new shoes and rubber. So these are the Demon VC 520s. Because the tyres are stretched and the size of the wheel, it was very hard to find a tyre that fits this wheel. So we've gone for 9 counts. So guys, the wind and the rain has finally calmed down a little bit. So we are going to be changing the silver badges, the A7 and the Audi badge, to black, because that's what Ross wants. So yeah, if you are wondering how we do that, keep watching.
Right, to start off, we're going to get masking tape and just do it horizontal to make sure we get a flush straight line. Bit of marker just to dab the ends of the badges. And now after this we're going to get heat, melt the badges a bit, well not melt them but just warm them up, then a bit of fishing wire and slice it like cheese. This is what we're working with today. So we have black A7, black rear rings. We have the front, but we're not going to do the front because black badges are a bit aggry at the front. Leave the hate in the comments. But
what are they?
Aggry.
I think you're discriminating against
we'll look at them. If they work, they work, but probably won't because I just can't do black on black. It's not me. Let's see how we get on. Okay, as you can see, it's already getting quite loose. Done with the heat. Quickly get your fishing line and slice it. Kind of like when you're doing that thing with cheese, you're just cutting through it. And in 2 seconds, we're going to miss an A. A gone. And 7. And there you go. So there's a lot of residue at the back. I'm going to heat this up again. Peel it off as much as I can, and then I have a solution inside that I can put on, and then I'll give it a polish as well to make sure it's mint and a clean surface. Okay, the next stage is going to be getting rid of this sticky shit. So I found label remover. It might do the job, it might not, but it's highly toxic.
See more. Don't f***ing sniff it.
Boydeen is a scientist, so let's give it a go. See if it works.
So after some time, we've finally got all the residue off, and now we're going to try and give it a bit of a polish to remove those kind of stains there before we put the new badge on. If you know anything about adhesives, they need to be the right temperature, so we're just going to give, because it's cold out, we're just going to heat up this panel to give the best chance to the adhesive. The good thing about these is they came with clear tape, so you can actually see what you're doing. My 135 badges didn't have this, so it's amazing. So we're just going to repeat the same process as we did here, and the thing with this, I think you just have to be patient with removing the previous adhesive. So yeah, stay tuned for the final result.